Check 1 2, check 1 2. Oh hi, didn't see you there. Come along as I ride the Lucas Valley Populaire. Just about 111 kilometers today. Hope you got your coffee ready. Started off as a hot day. No arm warmers, no knee warmers, barely a vest, which was quickly taken off. Climbs were jersey full open and then zipped up for the descent. Rode with Alan most of the way. Huge thanks to Alan for giving me all the insight on the local roads. This is the same route that I rode back in May that I did not finish as a 200K. So this is just half of that route, basically. Apparently this is the Skinwalker Ranch. Look at that naked rubber. No fenders on the Bryant anymore. Rest in peace, Honjos and Bertudes. We'd already hit lunch by this point, and by lunch I mean just a quick water stop. Now we're just making our way back to Sir Francis Drake. That's me realizing the plunge that Alan had warned me about. This was a steep descent down to a stop sign. Once we crossed that road, we climbed up Sir Francis Drake. Got rewarded with a nice long descent. Did I mention it was a beautiful day? Did I mention it was a beautiful day? I need to bring my ND filter for these bright days. I forgot to pack it. San Francisco just over the horizon there already. I just recently, and for the first time in my life, got TMJ, which is something to do with your jaw, and the bite mount did not do me any favors on this ride, so you're welcome. So in the first half of this ride, comparing it to the time I rode in May, I rode it about a mile an hour faster, went over all the climbs faster, so I guess that's progress. I should have put sunscreen on. I got in trouble for that when I got home. I believe this is the descent that got us into Fairfax. Yeah, that must have been it. Now we're just making our way back. And here we are, back at the Golden Gate. This was my maybe only second time riding across the Golden Gate. Ouch. On the weekend. Watched this ship come in, which was really cool. It was moving faster than I thought it was. And there's some pretty tricky moments navigating with all the people on the bridge. We have a mixture of aggressive cyclists and very, very casual cyclists. There's that same ship. It's already at the bridge.
Whoa.
More traffic. More traffic. If you're still watching, hit that hype button for me, will ya? Helps the channel. That last 200, 300 yards, whatever it was, on the bridge was probably some of the scariest part of the ride, to be honest. Definitely the most amount of people we saw all day. And over my shoulder, there's the boat or ship. And just like that, we're done. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.